Welcome to all. I am R. Saranraj, Assistant Professor, Department of Statistics, St. Joseph College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Kadalur. Today class, Descriptive Statistics, Measures of Dispersion. Measures of dispersion. Dispersion is the measure of the variation among the items or observations. Dispersion is the measures of extent to which the individual item vary. Uses: to test reliability of an average, to facilitate comparison, and to facilitate further statistical analysis. The methods of measuring dispersion is range, quartile deviations, mean deviation, standard deviation, and Lorentz curve. Range, quartile deviation, standard deviation, mean deviation is called absolute measures, and coefficient of range, coefficient of quartile deviation, coefficient of mean deviation, and coefficient of standard deviation is called relative measures. Range: the difference between the largest and the smallest values in the data set is called range. Range equal to L minus S, and coefficient of range equal to L minus S divided by L plus S. L is denoted by largest value, S is denoted by smallest value. The merits of range: it is easy to calculate, it is simple to understand, it does not require any special knowledge, it facilitates to study of the variations, the price of shares, bonds, agricultural commodities, etc. Quartile deviations. Quartile deviation is the half of the difference between the first and the third quartile. Quartile deviation equal to Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. Coefficient of quartile deviation equal to Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1. Q3 is called third quartile, Q1 is called first quartile. Q3 minus Q1 is called interquartile range. Variance: a measure of variability based on the square deviation of the observed values in the data set about the mean value. The variance is denoted by sigma squared. Sigma squared equal to 1 by n the summation x minus x bar whole square. Standard deviations: a positive square root of the variance, which is known as standard deviations. The standard deviation is also called as root mean square deviation, mean square error, and mean error. Standard deviation is denoted by Greek letter sigma. It is widely used in statistics. It is widely used in sampling theory and biological areas. Standard deviation equal to square root of variance. This is the raw data formula, discrete data formula, and continuous data formula. Mean deviations. Mean deviation is the average difference between the items in a distribution and the median or mean of that series. Mean deviation is denoted by delta and m dot d. Mean deviation is usually compute mean deviation about any one of mean or median. X bar is denoted by mean, MD is denoted by median. Uses of mean deviation. It is useful in marketing problems. It is useful in forecasting business cycle. It is useful in statistical analysis of economic business. Mean deviation raw data formula, discrete data formula. Coefficient of variations. The set of data for which coefficient of variation is how is said to be more consistent or more homogeneous. Coefficient of variation equal to standard deviation divided by mean into 100 or sigma divided by x bar into 100. One example, in two series adults aged 21 years and children are 3 months old, following values were obtained for the height. Find which series have greater variation. Adults, this is the given the problem. Answer, coefficient of adults equal to adult sigma standard deviation 10 divided by 160 into 100 equals 6.25. Children 5 divided by 60 into 100 8.33. Height in children show greater variation than adults. Thank you.